Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram no internet connection problem in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're trying to open your Instagram app, whenever you try to open your Instagram app, you face an issue that your Instagram have no network connection. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. You just have to go back from here and very first you have to try to reset your network because it might be a network issue. You can easily fix that by refreshing into your network. Not to do that, you just have to scroll down control center and you have to make sure that you're connected to any Wi-Fi or cellular data. Or you can also try to connect, enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here, open up your settings app, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to VPN, you just have to disconnect with that. Then go back from here and you have to go for App Store and you have to simply search for Instagram. And you have to make sure that you haven't any panic updates for your Instagram app. If you find trying to update your Instagram app, then go back from here and this time you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So you can see that my issue has been fixed. Or in some cases, if your issue is still not fixed, you just have to go back from here, open your settings app again, go for general again. This time, I have to go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, your issue will be fixed. Or in some cases, if your issue is still not fixed, so it might be that there will be any error or bug or malware into your Instagram app. Not to fix that, you have to simply open your settings app again, go for general again, go for iPhone storage. Here, look for Instagram app, and you have to try to offload your app. You can also try to delete app. So after offloading or deleting, you have to reinstall your app, and after reinstallation, your issue will be fixed. So if there will be any bug or a malware into your Instagram app, it will be fixed in this tab, and after that you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. In the next video, bye bye.